Hello there guys, this is the first video we've gone fishing with the Hogarths. I'm Hayden.
And Darren.
We're going to the top lake, Car Park Lake if I'm right, and we are fishing peg 5 and 6. It's getting into the colder months, so it's in November. Expectations are lower, but yeah.
And now we've got Hayden's first catch of the day.
Oh,
he's in.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like a nice cap. Hayden's just fighting on with it right now. I'm just going to have to put the thing down. I'll let you all see the picture of it when he's caught it. So there we are, Hayden's first cap today. Well done, Hayden, good start. Another cast for Hayden now. Another good cast there.
Trust me, you'll be
Number
alright.
3 here for Hayden, third one of the day. Lovely little one. Number 4 for Hayden. 1 for 4 now.
I just casted some showing fish. Got air fish.
And he's lost it
He's
because he
fat
keeps
out.
going up and down with the line. Number 4 for Hayden.
Who's casted it out? You did.
Mine.
Okay, I'm off right. We're about to find out. Feels a bit weird, Dad. Feels like 10-inch, Dad. Oh no, it's car. Yep, car. Is he decent size?
There's number 4 for Hayden. This is a good day so far considering it's November. Well done, son. Here's Hayden again with the 9th of the day. Very nice fish coming in.
Pull it back, if you Dad, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. The side. And it's in the box.
9th of the day for Hayden. What do you say, Hayden?
Well, it was a good fighting fish. Not as good as my 11 point, but just under 12 pounds.
Number 10 of the day for Hayden. Really good work.
Very, very fun fishing. He's got a nice skill to him, hasn't he? Look at that. It looks very nice. Very scaly, isn't he?
Number 11 now for Hayden. This
Pretty
is a really
good.
good day. I'm not sure whether that's number 11 or 12, but I'm sure Hayden will tell you later on.
Yeah, good fish. I've just released the other one, and straight away my alarm's off. It unreal. Yeah, buddy. Hello there. We've just left Dromonby. I caught 13 fish. My dad Darren caught 3 fish, and the biggest one caught of the day was at 11 pound 11 ounces, which was caught by me. All the management was really nice. So see you guys later. Thank you all for watching. Hope you stayed till the end.